So we are in December now. This is the first week of December. Just wanted to show you guys my dwarf raspberry shortcake. I had pruned, I think it was in fall, a couple of months ago, some of the fruiting branches. These were branches that did not fruit at that time, but now they fruited. Obviously it's gonna be going dormant. Usually this gives me two crop, one early summer, one in fall. So after the fall, I would prune off the branches that already fruited, because this is where the new fruit will come in. But since our season was a little weird this summer, we have these, which I won't be eating. It's just too late. I just wanted to show you. This is where the new one grows. These is where.
Is it a tree?
This is a raspberry plant.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's blue and it's red.
Yes, when the fruit becomes red. So my son loves to pick from this tree, so I tell him a ripe fruit is when it turns red, otherwise he'll pick it too early. So you can see this is already starting to grow right here.
Mommy,
Yes.
it's a friendly one?
Yes, this is a friendly plant, yes. He asked the most interesting questions. So these one will be the one that will have fruit this summer. So I prune not the whole thing, just the fruiting branches. So all these will keep, and I'll update you in the summer so you can see how bushy it grows. There's no point to keeping all of it, and there's certain raspberry varieties where if it all fruit, you just cut it to the ground. But this one is only the fruiting branches I take off to give it more space. It causes less disease, and I have it in a I think this is a 25-30 gallon pot. Yeah, so just wanted to share you guys how you prune, and it's not a scary thing to do, but it should be done for raspberries, particularly the shortcake.